Here I have OPPO A71. Let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down and choose here the display and brightness. Then let's tap here the lock screen, magazine and wallpaper. And as you can see, here you can use the following settings. Let's scroll down and choose set wallpaper. So you can use wallpaper from your photos or from your wallpaper gallery. Let me use from wallpaper gallery. Tap OK to terms of use, and let me for example use the following wallpaper. Tap apply, tap OK, and let's choose set as. Let's decide either you would like to use it on your lock screen or on your home screen. Let me use on my lock screen. So let's choose only set as lock screen wallpaper in my case. And that's it. Now after pressing the power key I should see new wallpaper. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.